Imagine sending unlimited messages to over 3 billion people across Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and more, and doing it all on complete autopilot. Today, I'm reviewing Prestige 2.0, the brand new AI social autoresponder that claims to get 98 to 99% open rates and generate $1,000 plus commissions, even if you have no list and no experience. Let's see if it's worth your money. Prestige 2.0 is a cloud-based AI messaging machine that works across all major social platforms. It finds leads, sends messages, replies, creates posts, generates videos, and even builds faceless AI influencers, completely hands-free. If you're into affiliate marketing, e-commerce, lead generation, or want automated social traffic, this tool is built for you. Here are the biggest things that stand out. First, unlimited messaging to 3 billion plus users. Prestige bypasses email and sends straight to people's phones, giving 98% open rates. No limits, no monthly fees. Second, 25 plus integrated premium AI tools. You get ChatGPT for Omni Plus, Gemini Ultra, Midjourney Mega, DALL-E HD, Copilot Pro, and more, all inside one dashboard. Third, automated lead generation. It finds niche-targeted people, collects emails, phone numbers, and social handles, even if you're starting from zero. 4. Faceless AI influencers. Create unlimited influencer characters and monetize posts for $1,000 plus commissions. 5. Full social automation. Prestige writes posts, designs images, replies to comments, and generates TikTok/Instagram Reels automatically. Pros: one-time payment, no monthly fees. Sends unlimited messages and automates everything. Commercial license included. Perfect for beginners. Works in any niche. 30-day money-back guarantee. Cons: launch pricing is temporary. Cost may increase soon. And here's the best part. When you grab Prestige 2.0 through my link, you'll also unlock my exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle. Over 300 plus premium tools, templates, software, and resources designed to supercharge your results from day one. If you're ready to automate traffic, leads, and commissions with AI, click the link in the description and grab Prestige 2.0 now, and secure your $43,000 bonus bundle instantly. This pricing won't last long, so lock it in before it increases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.